order to accomplish this on the side of the trail, you're going to want duct tape, zip ties, or some baling wire, a bunch of wrenches, screwdrivers, whatever. None of that seems to work. Just take a lighter and set it on fire. You should always be carrying a lighter because you never know when you're going to have to set something on fire. A couple of other things that would have came in handy after the fact. You could use your tool bag to wrap over the tie rod. Mechanic's wire would have came in super handy in this situation. Now, I've tried this 6 ways to Sunday and nothing's worked yet. I think I figured out a way to make this work. Here we are broke down. I took some zip ties, some wrenches, some duct tape, wrapped it around here. None of that stuff worked, but I figured out last night while I was laying in bed the reason why. Super quick here. Please turn the volume down and restart the video when you find the part of that you're looking for. My name's Clay with the Clay Way here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm here to inspire and empower folks like you that are stuck on the side of the damn trail and don't know what the hell to do. Consider subscribing and give me them sweet old thumbs up. My biggest mistake was making sure that the tire wasn't bowed in and not bowed out. I'd always kept on making it straight. I mean, that's our instinct. The thing I should have done was make sure the tire had a little gap in between here in the tie rod. Bowing in the tire makes it not want to pull this way. To keep it that way, I'm going to take a piece of rock and put it in between there. And then I'm going to tie this rock up around the tie rod ends. Make sure you use the flattest rock possible. Yeah, you'd like one smaller, but this will work, I think. We got that rock taped up in there. Now we're going to take a bunch of wrenches, screwdrivers, whatever we have in the cart with us, and we're going to tape them around the outside too to give it more dexterity. Because you don't want to keep kicking this wheel as you go down the trail. Lay in these wrenches and tape around them, and we're going to put as many wrenches around here as we have, something super stable so we can use it. Now is not the time to go crazy with the tape. We'll do that later. Hey, you might be thinking, why the hell are you showing us all this crap? Well, I tried it 6 other ways and it didn't work till I did this stuff. Yeah, we're kind of like MacGyver up in this bitch. God, I hope you have tie wire or zip ties to run around this bitch. Now, we haven't used a ton of tape and we've left the end open. Okay, because I had wrenches, I used box end, open end, box end, open end. Then I ran my tie wire around the box end and open end sides so it doesn't fall apart. Yeah, they don't call me Clever Clay for nothing. Now we're going to wrap it with some duct tape, and it doesn't really matter if you cut these off or not. Just wrap it around. But you want to bring your duct tape from here to here, and the reason for that is because we're constantly pulling away from this. That's really what the duct tape does most of all. To save yourself a little bit of irritation with this duct tape, put it up underneath there, and then wrap it all the way back over here before you start doing it. I'm excited to see if this damn thing is gonna work. I've done this like 5 times, but never this way. When you think you're all done, give it a couple tugs. Make sure it doesn't come apart because most of the pressure should be pushing in like this. Boy, I hope this works.
I don't know how about this. Let's see if we can go more than 3 foot before it breaks again. Just keep going. It's rolling. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, you're good. We're still rolling back here. Hey, well, I don't have brakes. This is a good way to slow down.
You're gonna let me know if it actually breaks. As long as the duct tape don't break, I think that's gonna be okay. If I would have put more tape on that, I think it would have been okay, and it wouldn't have got so far out of line. Hopefully that helped you get back to the trail, and you'll consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing these videos. Give me them sweet old thumbs up. Don't be the next to them. Be the absolute first of you. And if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Well, if you're one of those that are watching this that's not broke down on the trail, you might want to know what the hell is wrong with that damn thing. Let's just say she had a bent frame, which was the worst of it, not to mention all of that stuff up in the front. If you want to see what the frame looked like before it was bent, check out the Lizzo Part 1 video of this thing. That's her name because she's a big fat hoe. I've got the second portion of this video where I cut all this stuff out and what the thinking was and the engineering behind repairing it. So you might want to check them out too.